In today's video, we will be talking about how to get over the ugly stage in your artwork. The ugly stage, as I like to call it, is just a part of your project that maybe you've already spent a couple days or just even a few hours on your piece and it doesn't look good yet. Perhaps your values don't have a lot of contrast or there isn't a lot of detail. And if you leave your artwork in that stage for too long, it can be rather discouraging. The reason I think that this artwork is a particularly good case study, if you will, for the ugly stage is that before and even after I started adding a lot of the browns and blacks over the purple base on the horse, it just looked really weird. Some people may look at it and like it, but it was weird and ugly to me, and it just made me wonder how I was going to fix this, thus inspiring the topic for today's video. Even though I knew that this stage was a part of the process, I was still wondering how I was going to make this look how I wanted. The answer is simply to keep going and keep layering. Since I was working with the powder blender on this project, I was able to add more layers over the pinks and purples than I could have if I was working my usual way on hot pressed watercolor paper blending with odorless mineral spirits. You can still definitely do it that way, but if I were to do it on the watercolor paper, I would start with my blacks and browns earlier in the process than I did working with the powder blender. I think that it is important to remember that you have to go through the ugly stages to get the desired look, and you have to spend the time for your project to look good. It doesn't just magically happen. There are a few ways that you can avoid such a prolonged ugly stage. My favorite, though, is to work in little sections throughout your piece. This helps you to avoid being stuck in that ugly stage for a long time. For example, you can get the ears looking really good before you start on the face, and then get the face really good before you work on the neck. This way, the ugly stages will still happen, but they will go by much faster, and they won't be as bad or dramatic, because some part of your artwork will always look good. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And to see more of my art, you can follow me on Instagram. Links will be in the video description.